Welcome back to ZeroDiabetes Zone. Today, we're exploring a popular topic that has sparked interest in the diabetes community: intermittent fasting. Can it truly help manage blood sugar, or is it just another trend? Let's break it down together. Intermittent fasting, or IF, is an eating pattern that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. There are various methods, like the 16-8-5-2 and the eat-stop-eat method, where people limit eating to certain hours or certain days. This pattern can affect metabolism and, for people with diabetes, potentially influence blood sugar levels. When we fast, the body taps into stored glucose, which can help lower blood sugar levels over time. Intermittent fasting may also increase insulin sensitivity, which means that cells can use insulin more effectively, potentially reducing the need for insulin or other medications for some people. Studies suggest intermittent fasting might improve blood sugar control, reduce inflammation, and even support heart health, all crucial for managing diabetes. Plus, it can help with weight management, which is essential as losing extra weight often makes diabetes management easier. However, intermittent fasting isn't for everyone, especially people on insulin or certain medications. Long fasting periods can sometimes lead to hypoglycemia or low blood sugar, which can be dangerous. That's why it's essential to approach intermittent fasting with caution and consult with a healthcare provider. Tips for safe intermittent fasting with diabetes. If you're considering trying intermittent fasting, here are a few safety tips. Start slowly by fasting for shorter periods. Monitor your blood sugar closely and stay hydrated. Also, avoid sugary drinks or high-carb meals immediately after fasting, as this can spike blood sugar. Intermittent fasting isn't a quick fix, but can be a helpful tool for some. Remember that consistency is key, and results may vary. You may see benefits in blood sugar levels, but patience and regular monitoring are crucial. Thank you for watching. Have you tried intermittent fasting, or are you considering it? Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. And as always, stay healthy and stay informed. See you next time on ZeroDiabetes Zone.